you see, actually, that only romantic film sorts, I've only done Jannat. I've not done any film like that. You know, when we'll meet, wo peeth pe aise nahi, like ladko ke karte. So he used to do that to me every time, and he used to just call me Londa. You love the evil mother, which is Maleficent, only because it's Sanjaya Jolie. If someone else would have played it, I don't know how I would have felt. Hi, Faridun.
Hi, Isha, how are you?
I'm good. I'm so sorry I'm late, and I was so looking forward to your interview. It's always so
Thank you very much.
amazing.
Thank you so much. Someone is saying Angelina Jolie. So if this comparison with Angelina Jolie, how do you deal with it?
You know, I've even said it before.
Mm.
So I don't really see it much till now, unless like when people put, in collages, like one picture next to another. Then I
Yeah.
happen to see it at times because I'm like, oh my God, like how did that happen? Like, but I I don't see it also because I've exactly like बचपन से I remember हम लोग parties में होते थे events भी अब शादी वगैरह में and लोग बोलते थे रेखा की बेटी like my mom, her name is Rekha. So I know I look exactly like my mother. So I see my face and my structure looking more like her. But it's nice. It's a great comparison. It's one of the hottest and most beautiful and talented women in the world. So
Right.
I don't think I
You know,
mind.
and when it comes to the comparison part, like even like the jawbones and there's alarming similarity. Even like
Really?
this structure and all that, it's like there's a lot of similarity.
That's why I said, for reason that I realized that, how we
Uh,
see ourselves, people see it
mm,
differently. You know what
mm,
I mean? Like how you see yourself won't be the same how I see you. Like people see you differently. Our perception about our own face is very
mm,
different. Like once I want to see myself from someone else's eyes. You know what I'm trying to say?
mm,
Not like what we see on screen is also different because I'm seeing myself again from my eyes, which we're doing now. So I
mm.
guess like I said, I don't see it until, and they are shocking. Like some people post pictures of Angela and mine, and oh my God, it's exactly like I see it, and I'm like, acha, matlab, lagte to hai. So I've also joked about it with my father, and I'm like, tell me, did you travel or what? Or I tell my mother, I'm like, did you travel? I'm like, I want to know the truth. And of course, they hate me for this. They hate me
Right.
for saying it.
So have you by any chance ever just spoke to her like online, or have you?
Who, Angela Jolie?
Yeah.
नहीं यार मतलब मैं honestly no यार like oh my God what a woman. I think I'll cry if I'll see her. I've always been a fan. Like what a woman यार क्या काम किया उन्होंने. Like what a
Mm.
personality. I think I'm just gonna hug her and be like, I think people like I'll tell her people say I look like you. I just hope she doesn't slap me for saying that. But what a woman, what a lady, what a persona. The
Mm.
kind of work she's done for the society, the kind of work she's done in the industry. I hope like imagine doing a movie where she and I are together. Oh my God, like wow.
Which is your all-time favorite film of Angelina Jolie?
I thought Maleficent was one of the most brilliant films because it catered to all ages, first of all. Also because of the fact that look at the way there's she's the evil mother, but of course it's a different take on how actually the film was of Snow White. And I love the fact how she has played that because I don't think you love the evil mother, which is Maleficent, only because it's Sanjaya Jolie. If someone else would have played it, I don't know how I would have felt. But I think that she just fits it. Like whether it was part one, even when the part two came, I waited and I was not in country at that time. But my whole idea was I was like I want to go to the cinemas and watch it. I want to watch that woman.
Okay, so you're playing this tough cop in Reject X, the series on Z5, which is directed as well by Goldie Bear. So he's mostly like he
Yeah.
has been a producer, but he has directed this one. All right, so how was the experience?
Experience was really nice.
Mm,
First of all, I must say, all these actors, all the kids, oh my God, they were so good. It was
mm,
such a breath of fresh air working with all of them because I've
mm,
always worked with people I've always worked with. You know what I mean? Like they all have the experience and all of that. But when you work with like all these actors, they all got like they had that different energy. Their stories were different, because they've not really done work in the industry. So the stories are different, the interactions are different, and the confidence which they still had was so amazing. Like it was really, and I felt like, and honestly, it is their show, and I've become a part of their show. And I'm so
mm,
glad to be a part of this Rejects family now because Goldie as a director, he's first of all an actor's director. And I think it's because Goldie envisioned me as Officer Rene that I was able to um, get it right. And more than that, like fans have really loved it. Like I've getting mails and Instagram DMs every day. Ma'am, season three kab aayega? Isha, when is the season three coming? And I'm so excited. Like I'm so happy that people have really liked it and giving that response.
So you play the tough cop, and she can be no nonsense. But at the same time, if she has to get her way through, then she can go to a gym, and she can convince people through other ways as well.
Yes, but I love that. See, that's the thing. So when Goldie offered me, when he explained it to me, first of all, I'd seen Rejects 1, which I even said before, and Goldie hates me for the fact that I did not know that Goldie made Rejects. And then when he offered me, and I was like, you made it? He's like, yeah. And he's like, I hate you. I was like, I just did not know. So I saw Rejects. But the fact that, so Goldie is like, he's like, if a woman is beautiful, if a woman is strong, he's like, I don't understand why cannot she use, like, how like James Bond uses his persona, his sexiness towards and getting his work done. He like, why can't women do the same? He's like, why can't a strong woman not be glamorous? Why can't a strong woman not use it in her benefit, to get her work done? It's not that I'm doing anything wrong. It's just like, okay, a little bit this and just get my work done. And I was like, I told Goldie, like, you said James Bond, that's all I heard in my mind, and I'm ready to do it. So, and I really
Right.
agree with it because it's not necessary a strong woman only has to be this a certain look and मैं तैयार नहीं होती मैं ये नहीं करती वो नहीं करती नहीं come on, like look at us, like look at all our police officers now, like I've only seen in Maharashtra, but because I've been mainly here, but oh my God, look at them, they look really fit. They take care of themselves, but मतलब मारना होगा डंडा तो वो मारेंगी भी. And I think that's how आज की औरत जिसे हम बोलते हैं वो वैसी है. And I'm glad that of course my look was different because it's a Singapore university that we're showing. So it was different, but I'm really glad that he's shown me as that kind of woman because that's someone I relate.
Now, see, you spoke about the video calling part to your boyfriend in Spain, but Spain has seen tough times.
Spain has seen really tough times.
Really tough times.
Yes.
It must have been
Spain
I
has
think a
been really bad.
really harrowing experience for you because just looking at these reports of so many
Yeah.
people, they're passing away on a daily basis, and the hospitals are overcrowded, and that must have been a scary experience for you.
It's not been easy. Like I've been on a roller coaster ride, and what happens is, I even remember so the reason I actually got back into yoga, I used to do yoga. I've been doing it for almost 8 years. But the reason I went back to yoga is because emotionally, I think I think you're the first person I'm actually publicly saying it to. I kind of got depressed when the lockdown happened because I suddenly realized I have nobody with me. Luckily, because luckily for my health, my girl who used to live with me before the lockdown only because I was leaving for another film. She like, Didi, मैं जाऊँ घर. I was like, तू पहले चले जा because मेरा shoot के लिए मैं जा रही हूँ. I was leaving for London. So I'm just really happy, firstly, that, she's back home safe from the beginning. But the fact that I have nobody with me, I have like my staff is all like lives in Bombay, so they're all in their respective houses, and my family is in Delhi, my boyfriend's in Spain. I don't have anyone as in anyone. My building is like we need to protect each other. If we all keep going in and out or people keep coming, of course everyone is at risk. So I can't do
Right.
that. So I kind of got depressed, and that's the reason I think I got so much in. Like immediately my focus, I was like, okay, where do I do? So I started doing a lot of yoga because it took a lot of my time. Of course, by the time you wake up, clean the house, cook, then again do bartan bhi, ye bhi, wo bhi, a whole day goes. It's like anyone else is doing it, I'm doing the same. So I won't say I'm any different than anyone else, but the fact that I'm all alone, I really understand people. I think that's another reason I was trying to give everyone hope and trying to be all positive. That it's okay because it's not easy being alone. Like the thoughts that come in your mind. My mother had a heart issue she is a heart patient, but she had an issue during the lockdown. So that one stress. Then Spain, seeing what's going on. Like every day there were cases increasing over there and a lot. So it's been a roller coaster life, but you know, everything teaches you for and makes you stronger. If nothing, like if you don't come out of it stronger, I mean, I think there's no other way but to come out of it stronger.
Right. And so when you post these glamorous pictures on Instagrams, what sort of responses do you get?
So the response that I get from people,
Yeah.
um, my fans, well, there's some who love it, there are some who don't like it, but then um, I just feel, you know, you need to cut the negativity and bitterness out. It took me some time to realize because as a person and generally मेरी क्या आदत है अगर कोई औरत की एक हद तक सहन कर लूंगी but after a point तुम बेइज्जती नहीं कर सकते, you know, you have to draw a line. So I used to give it back to them, but then I was just like, you know what, this is who I am. Don't follow me if you don't want to. But there are some people who will always be bitter, and I think it's just their way of living life. You know, they want to be bitter, they can be bitter because your opinion about me is not going to change who I am. And it doesn't reflect on me, it reflects on you on the more. You know what I'm trying to say? And it took me some time to realize it because, you know, before being in the industry, my life, none of our life was ever in the media because we've not seen it. So it's only by experience I learned it that acha, I have to segregate and section it out and just ignore that it really doesn't matter.
When you started off with Jannat 2, it seems like yesterday only, and it opened big. The film did really big numbers. Are you happy with the way your film career has gone so far?
Honestly, someone else also asked me this question, and I told them, I don't know how else my career would have gone. Like
Why I'm saying it
we
is because
travel a lot.
you started with a very successful film. I'm saying from that perspective. You started with a very successful film. You followed it up with more successful films, and so one would have imagined that maybe there will be more different sort of other films like main heroine roles that you will be doing because when
No,
you're
it's
doing like a
also because,
Rustam, for
no,
example.
that's also because yeah. No, the thing is that I did not like everything that I was like after I did. So if you see actually that only romantic film sorts, I've only done Jannat. I've not done any film like that. It's because, you know, once you do it, once you realize how you are, and I realize, okay, I'm not always comfortable doing that. You know what I mean? And I wanted to do something that I'm okay doing, something that I'm comfortable with. And I had a certain mindset that okay, these are the kind of people I only want to work with. If something bothered me, I didn't want to be a part of it. There was few things that I didn't want to do, you know, in the films, and I was like, it doesn't make sense. So I'm really glad because you know the best thing about being an actor is you at least get the choice of kind of films you want to do. No one's forcing it on you. It's not that class 1 से class 8 तक आपको पढ़ना ही पढ़ना है. It's not that. You know, it's like in your career, at least the good thing is we can choose the kind of work we want to do. And I realize, okay, you know that I don't know how to say, but that lovey-dovey, you know, that thing didn't suit me. Like it didn't come naturally to me. I think because as a person, I've always been. So I played national volleyball. So for me, I've always been an athlete or education because I studied law. So for me, it was very difficult to try and become that different kind of girl and act like that. I realized it's not happening naturally. So the kind of films that I started choosing, the roles were very like more stronger kind of roles, a little different like Chakravyuh, even Rustam, even though it was negative, it really like helped me. It got me awards. Even Commando, like all these films, I felt more at home rather than just doing ha ha. Though Total Dhamal was again a different, but it was a comedy, so it worked. So I wanted to choose more than films. I realized I wanted to do roles which I can relate to.
Let's take a few questions. I hope that their
I
questions will
can
be valid.
see, yeah, I can see like a lot of them, but just saying hi. Can I just quickly say hi to all of you? Hi to all of you. Hi to all of you.
So Mohammed Shamshad is saying, my crush Isha.
Hi,
And
Mohammed.
Tahir is saying, Tu Hi Mere, the song from Jannat 2. Apparently, you've been singing quite a bit.
No, listen. My throat has been so bad. No, I'm lying. My throat is not bad before people start saying something's happening to me. No, no, no. I don't usually
Right.
sing. It's just time pass. I honestly, it's really time pass. The only thing that I'm actually learning something new is yoga. I'm getting online certificate of yoga so I can actually start training people. I'll become a yogi. So that's what I'm doing. And
Please
guitar,
please
I
do a please do a session for your fans for Bollywood Hangama.
Of yoga.
Yes.
I'll 100 now. Yeah, now I can't do. I'm wearing
Not
a
now,
dress.
not now, not now,
Oh,
not
for
now,
sure.
not now.
Oh, you tell
Later,
me,
whenever.
Paridoor. I'll for sure. Yeah, you tell me.
You
I'd
can
love
you
to
can
do that.
record
I'd
it on
really
your
love to do that.
you can record it on your mobile and send it across to us. We will
And
love to
send
feature
it.
it for your
I'm
fans.
100% doing it for you. You know what? You asked it for sure, man. I'm gonna send it because I'm really like, I realized that this, like I said, like this whole 60 days, I've gone through like an emotional turmoil of being depressed to being happy to accepting finally that, okay, you know what? Being depressed is not gonna help. Being negative is not gonna help. What's the way out? And then I focus my energy towards only reading and spending time with loved ones. I mean, even if it's virtual spending time, but doing the things which make me really happy and make me, calm. So that's when I realized that I can help a lot of people doing the same. But apart from that, one thing during quarantine that I'm loving doing, I really hope my fans don't hate me for this, but the fact that every evening I'm getting down to feed the street dogs. So that's
Yeah.
something that makes me so happy. I've always been, you know me, I've always been an animal lover. We have so many animals at our house in Delhi. So it's one thing that I can at least I'm not meeting humans, but I can meet those babies every day. Someone
Okay,
said
and
it's okay, Isha, please sing. No, guys, I will sing if
I
Paridu
think
sings with me. If you
no,
sing
no.
with me, I'll sing. No, listen,
See,
you have a
this
good
is
voice.
okay. So, but this is
I
your
have
line.
heard you singing. My life with
This is
Faridoon, I have heard you singing. You have a great voice and you're a poet, by the way. I read your poems, so don't like do all this lying with me.
but your fans would want to hear from you. I'll sing for you later. I'll end it with a song. Yeah, but
Oh,
you start. You start something.
listen, I'm so guys, please गालियाँ मत लिख के भेजना. I'm really bad. I'll sing. I don't know which song. I'll just sing my latest song. My latest
Sure.
as in one of my favorite song मैं रहूँ. I'm gonna sing one of its stanzas. So starting only. मैं रहूँ या ना रहूँ तुम मुझ में कहीं बाकी रहना मुझे नींद आई जो आखिरी तुम ख्वाबों में आते रहना बस इतना है तुम से कहना बस इतना है तुमसे कहना कभी रो कभी I forgot the lyrics only. I can't believe.
No, but it was wonderful. It was
Thank
wonderful.
you.
It was wonderful. Very nice. Very nice.
Thank you.
Okay, let's take Tabliwala. Mitesh is saying, how was the experience working with Akshay sir and Rustam?
I had this connection over Punjabi. So he called me. He's like, "तू fake as Punjabi hai because I don't eat non-veg. I don't even have eggs. I don't even speak Punjabi. I don't know क्यों माँ बाप ने ऐसे पैदा किया. But the best thing was every joke we'll crack, and he used to tell me. So Akshay eventually he used to come and when we'll meet वो पीठ पे ऐसे नहीं like लड़कों के करते. So he used to do that to me every time, and he used to just call me Londa. And because I'm like, why? He's like, तू actor. He's like, अंदर से तू लौंडा है because then I'll start talking and I'll forget. He's like, you keep forgetting your like. He's like, which is not a bad thing, but it just comes naturally. So I love Akshay, guys. He's one of the loveliest guy, and the best thing about him is I learned. You learn everything from like every day from someone something, but Akshay actually respects. I've seen him say hi to कोई भी देखता है ना उनके तरफ. He'll just turn and Akshay sir will be like, oh hi, and it's such a nice thing to be there and be so humble.